Hello everyone, I'm back with a new topic after a long gap. Here, we will be discussing on tissues. This video will introduce us to tissues and we will learn about them in detail in the upcoming videos. Without delay, let us dive into the topic. A group of cells that are similar or dissimilar in structure but similar in origin which work together to perform particular function is called a tissue. We know that cells are the most fundamental and structural units of life. Different cells perform different functions. Similar cells are grouped together in the body which work together as a team to perform the same function. A non-living material called the intercellular matrix fills the spaces between the cells. This may be abundant in some tissues and minimal in others. The intercellular matrix may contain special substances such as salts and fibers that are unique to a specific tissue and gives that tissue distinctive characteristics. Some examples are blood, muscle, bone, xylem, phloem, etc. The study of tissue is known as histology, and the study of disease related to the tissue is known as histopathology. The standard tools for studying tissues is by embedding and sectioning using the paraffin block. We learned that tissues are made up of cells with similar origin and work together to perform a task. Tissues together form an organ and organs together form organ systems. As the cell in a particular tissue work together to perform functions, many tasks are carried out which exhibit division of labor. Tissues like xylem and phloem help in the transportation of water, minerals, and food respectively in plants, and some tissues like ligaments help the bones to connect with each other in animals. Thus, different kinds of tissues perform variety of functions. Now let us see the different types of tissues. Tissues can be mainly categorized into plant and animal tissues. Plant tissues are majorly of two types: meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissue is a plant tissue that has the ability to divide actively throughout its life. The tissues that are completely grown and have lost the ability of division are known as permanent tissues. Animal tissues can be divided into four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. The epithelium is a type of body tissue that forms a covering on all internal and external surfaces of our body. It lines the body cavities and hollow organs. Connective tissue supports, protects, and gives structure to other tissues and organs in the body. Muscle tissue is composed of cells that have the special ability to shorten or contract in order to produce movement of the body parts. Nervous tissue is responsible for coordinating and controlling many body activities. We will discuss about these tissues in details in the subsequent videos. In this slide, we can see the difference between plant and animal tissues. The most prominent differences are that cells of plant tissues have a cell wall while those of animal cells don't have, and the other one being that all tissues of animals are living while some tissues are dead or may be living in plants. There are a few more differences too. The information presented in these slides are primarily collected from sources which are academic or from government organizations. I hope I could provide an overview on tissue. An elaborate discussion on the types of tissues and the different functions will be done in my upcoming video shortly. From the core of my heart, I thank you all for watching my video. To watch more videos, please check the description box and also the cards appearing on the top right corner of this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming up.